how to add some languages onto your Gboard keyboard, and this is on the OnePlus phone. This here is the OnePlus 12R and should be the same for other OnePlus phones using Gboard keyboard. When you're ready to do this, go ahead and tap anywhere that would have your keyboard pop up like this here. When your keyboard pops up, you'll see that setting icon here. Tap on that one time, and this will take you to the settings of your Gboard keyboard. So now I want you to go where it says languages right here. And if your phone model is the US version, you'll of course have the English as an option. Tapping here will allow you to choose between the QWERTY and also the others such as QWERTZ and the AZERTY. So if you want those, you can select those and you can also browse through them if you want to, okay? But if you want to actually add another language, you'll go to Add Keyboard, and maybe I wanted to add, I don't know, I'm just going to add this one here, okay? And then it'll show that it's selected here and I'll press done, okay? Now that I have these languages available here, when I come out of here and I come out of here a second time, you'll notice now that this little globe-like icon is down here. And basically it's a globe key, which when you tap on it, it's gonna switch or cycle between the different languages you have on your keyboard. So you don't necessarily have to stay with one language. You can stay on your keyboard and switch between them, okay? So this is that one here, and when I tap here now, that will be the other language. And you can tell with the way how this is with all these letters here and that backwards C there, but that will be the other language, okay? So I'll go here now and I'll tap this back. This will take me back to the English, and it's going to tell you on the space bar there. So when you cycle between it, it's going to tell you what the language is. You notice how that space bar has the name of the language here? That's what it is, okay? Now, if again in the future you want to come back and add some more or remove one of them, you'll go back here, go to languages here. You can go back here to add keyboard to add another one, or to remove it, tap on this edit icon here. And you will select the one you don't want and press the delete icon. That's going to remove it, and it doesn't remove it from the phone, it just deletes it from the keyboard, and you can come back and add that one again if you want to, like in so.